Instapage is an advanced landing page platform for anyone who needs to create ad-relevant, high-converting landing pages but lacks coding experience or design skills. Whether you're a member of a small marketing team or a big advertising agency, Instapage helps you power up ad campaigns and convert clicks into customers. Here are some of the most common challenges that bring marketers to Instapage. Low conversions because of generic pages that don't match with ads. Lack of dedicated resources for marketing campaigns, such as a designer, web developer, digital strategist, or digital planner. Lack of data-driven insights to optimize page performance. High bounce rates and low engagement due to slow loading pages. If any of these sound familiar, don't worry, Instapage has you covered. Instapage empowers marketers to create branded, high-converting landing pages for any use case thanks to its intuitive drag-and-drop UI, 500-plus conversion-focused layouts, and Instablocks, add-to-page personalization, AI content generation tools, A/B testing tools, collaboration and reporting tools, built-in conversion analytics, and seamless integrations with over 100 marketing solutions. Over 15,000 companies and brands scale their marketing with Instapage. Freelancers, bloggers, online course creators, small businesses, marketing agencies, and large corporations choose Instapage as their marketing tool of choice. Our solution provides tools for a variety of use cases, including product launches, lead generation, event registration, search ads, social media ads, display ads, email marketing, and many more. Instapage is committed to maintaining platform and client data security with its in-house security team that implements industry-specific security measures such as SOC 2 compliance and SSL certificates to safeguard user data and system resources. While there are many landing page builders out there, Instapage stands out as one of the best options because of its personalization, optimization, and collaboration capabilities. Reduce costs, grow conversions, and deliver tailored landing page experiences that enhance brand trust and customer loyalty. Try it out for yourself at instapage.com.